Hey Loog Nation, it's Mr. Will with another lesson. Today we're working on Nirvana's Come As You Are. There's 4 parts to this song. We have the iconic riff and then 3 different chord progressions. They're very easy. This song is quite easy to play. However, you know it, we're on a Loog, so we've transposed the song to the key of C, A minor. For all you music geeks out there who want to teach the kid the song, yes, this song is in a different key. It's an A, F sharp minor, but you know what? Forget that. We're playing it on the Loog today, so let's learn it this way. All right, this was a request by one of you out there. Yes, hello. You requested this song, and we're finally to it in the queue of lessons that I have lined up. So, right on. Thanks for letting me know what song you wanted to learn. Leave a comment below, and I will do a lesson of a song that you've been requesting. Yes, I have a few in the queue, so there you go. A few in the queue. All right, let's start with the easy stuff first, the chords. So, we're in the key of C. That's really hard to hear. I've taken the gain out of my Loog amp. Yeah, it's a Loog mini amp. You should check it out. Along with this Fender style 3-string Loog electric. I've got reviews for all of that in the links below, so check this out. You can get 10% off of your entire order if you click the link in the description. It's got my code, WILLIAMDOUGHTY, as your checkout code. Use the link and it'll automatically populate my discount code in the checkout. You'll get 10% off your entire order. C, A minor, G, F, and then we have a mysterious D major chord. Yeah, let's do that again. C, A minor, G, F, and then this really strange D major. So this song is pretty cool. We've got 3 sections where we're playing 2 chords each. This is what makes it fun to play and learn. So the very first section, the main verse, A minor to a G. I like playing the G actually with both fingers on fret 3, strings 2 and 1. A minor, G. It's a really good song for practicing back and forth chord changes. The chorus, or that section where we go, memory, memory, that's just A minor to C. Yep, that's pretty easy, right? A minor to C. And then we have a bridge. Yeah, I swear that I don't have a gun. Right? That part is pretty challenging. D to F. D to F. D. And then I'm going to pick up my finger. I'm going to lay it down, my first finger, pretty much over all 3 strings. And you've got a choice. Some people like to play an F with their 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, because I'm laying my first finger across the 2nd and 1st strings 1st fret. Others who have played guitar before or just working on 6-string guitar shapes, they'll use their 2nd finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret. But the real key is getting your first finger to lay down. Right? I'm trying to play both the 1st and 2nd string, or the middle and thinnest string, with my first finger squeezing the 1st fret. Hey, I'd suggest taking some time right now to practice moving from D to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is probably the hardest part of the song. Now that we have our 3 sections, let's go back to the count and some strumming. For, let's say you're playing along with someone else and you've got someone playing the main riff, maybe a parent, and then you, the student, are wanting to play just the chords behind it. We're playing A minor, G, A minor for 4, 3, 4, G. The whole song kind of works this way. just 4 beats, 1 bar, changing. You've got 2 really strong strumming options here. You could go with a very standard rock 8th note feel. Or you could do what's called a syncopated strumming pattern. Syncopated. And if you've been here before, you know we love syncopated strummings here at Loog Nation. Hey, if it's your first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. We're here every Thursday with a new lesson. Okay, syncopation goes 1, 2, and 4. Down, down, up, down. Let's do that again. Down, down, up, down, right? Down, down, up, down. So that's going to sound like this. And then we're going to change to the G, A minor, G. Or down, 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 down. Now we've come to the bridge, and the bridge is a little more challenging because of the chord shapes themselves. D. I like playing rock 8th notes here just because the chords are so hard. So this change from D to F can get your fingers a little, well, tongue-tied, essentially. Finger-tied. Yeah, that's a thing. You see how this song actually helps you become a better player with this back and forth between chords? It's one of the main things I do when I'm giving lessons. We work on changing back and forth on chords because chords and chord changes tend to be the hardest thing. The strumming is what makes every song different. Okay, so now we have all 3 of our parts of the song. The opening, chorus, and the bridge. Now, I know why you're here. You're here for the riff, so thanks for your patience. Let's get to this riff, right? So, at the very beginning, we have what's called a pickup. That note right there, 2nd fret, 3rd string, is actually the downbeat of the measure 1, and 4, and 1, and 4, and 1. Notice that I'm playing twice. This is the only time you're going to play that open 3rd string twice. It's a little chromatic move. Open, open, 1, 2. And then I'm going to take my 1st finger and also hold the 1st fret of the 2nd string. So 3rd string, open, open, 1, 2. 1st fret of the 2nd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string. You with me? Now we're going to go back to the 3rd string. We're going to play this one more time. Now we're going backwards, right? So we've gone 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. And then we're going to play the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Let me put that all together. So I did the open 3rd string twice, as you heard, and then one more 2nd string 3rd fret. 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string 3rd fret, 2 open 3rd strings, back to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Now that you have that pattern, when we go back to it, we're going to start all over again. But we're only going to play the open third string one time. Right? Open 1, 2. So there's the whole pattern over and over again. Remember, the very first time you play it, you're playing twice. After that, you're only playing that open string once. Hey, do you have any questions? Let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to do a quick little micro review as a short for you as a comment. Hey, that's the song Come As You Are by Nirvana. I would love to do a whole playback for you, but I get pinged by YouTube for copyright problems. So make sure you're listening to the song and know how long each section is. I'll also do you a favor and put that into the description as well. You guys, it's so great to be here. I love being able to teach songs like this on the Loog for you to prove that Loog is a real instrument. It's not a toy. And there's lots of songs that you can play. So I look forward to giving you another lesson next week. Right on. Be well.